Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. 1. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious, extreme, and downright mind-blowing places on Earth, Antarctica. But not the icy, lifeless desert you see in textbooks. No. What lies beneath the surface is something few people have ever imagined. Imagine a world buried under 2 kilometers of ice. A place where mountains rise, rivers flow, lakes shimmer in darkness, and ancient life forms once thought impossible are alive and thriving. This hidden world has been sealed away for millions of years, like a frozen time capsule. But now, thanks to cutting-edge science, we're peeling back the ice, and what we're finding is shaking the scientific world to its core. We're talking about subglacial lakes, over 100 volcanoes, and even signs of a past climate collapse, written in the DNA of tiny Antarctic octopuses. And the scariest part? These discoveries don't just reveal the past, they may warn us about the future. So stay with me, because this is the untold story of what's really under Antarctica's ice, and why the entire world should be paying attention. A hidden world beneath Antarctica. Mountains, rivers, and alien ecosystems. Beneath the vast, icy expanse of Antarctica lies a concealed world that challenges our understanding of Earth's geography. Advanced technologies like ice-penetrating radar and satellite mapping have unveiled a landscape teeming with towering mountain ranges, sprawling valleys, and extensive river systems. These features, hidden under ice sheets averaging over 2 kilometers thick, resemble the topography of continents, suggesting a dynamic geological history. Among the most intriguing discoveries are subglacial lakes, such as Lake Vostok, which has remained liquid for millions of years beneath the ice. These isolated aquatic environments may harbor unique microbial life, offering a glimpse into ecosystems that have evolved independently from the surface world. The existence of such life forms not only expands our understanding of biodiversity on Earth, but also fuels speculation about life's potential on icy extraterrestrial bodies. 2. The volcanic heart of Antarctica. A threat from below. Contrary to the perception of Antarctica as a dormant, frozen land, it harbors a significant number of volcanoes beneath its ice sheets. Recent studies have identified over 100 volcanoes, making it one of the most extensive volcanic regions on Earth. Most of these volcanoes are concealed beneath kilometers of ice, their presence detected through seismic activity and other geophysical methods. The potential eruption of these subglacial volcanoes poses a dual threat. Firstly, the heat from eruptions could accelerate the melting of overlying ice, contributing to sea level rise. Secondly, the reduction in ice mass due to climate change could decrease pressure on magma chambers, potentially triggering volcanic activity. This interplay creates a feedback loop where melting ice and volcanic eruptions exacerbate each other, posing significant risks to global sea levels and climate stability. 3. Subglacial lakes. Life thriving in eternal darkness. The discovery of subglacial lakes beneath Antarctica's ice has revolutionized our understanding of life's resilience. These lakes, insulated by thick ice layers, maintain liquid water due to geothermal heat and the pressure of overlying ice. In these extreme environments, scientists have found microbial life forms that thrive without sunlight, relying on chemical energy sources. For instance, Lake Williams, located beneath the West Antarctic ice sheet, has yielded samples containing diverse microbial communities. These organisms metabolize minerals and gases, demonstrating life's adaptability to harsh conditions. Studying these ecosystems provides insights into the potential for life in similar environments elsewhere in the solar system, such as subsurface oceans on Jupiter's moon, Europa. Time. 4. Melting ice, rising seas. The West Antarctic Collapse Timeline. The West Antarctic Ice Sheet, WAIS, is a critical component of global sea level regulation. Comprising vast amounts of ice resting on bedrock below sea level, the WAIS is particularly vulnerable to warming ocean waters. Recent research indicates that the WAIS is losing mass at an accelerating rate, contributing to global sea level rise. Antarctic glaciers. Projections suggest that if current trends continue, the WAIS could undergo significant collapse by the year 2300, potentially raising sea levels by several meters. Such a scenario would have catastrophic implications for coastal communities worldwide, emphasizing the urgency of addressing climate change and mitigating greenhouse gas emissions. 5. Volcanoes and ice. A dangerous feedback loop underway. The interaction between volcanic activity and ice melt in Antarctica presents a complex and concerning feedback mechanism. As climate change leads to the thinning of ice sheets, the reduced pressure on underlying magma chambers may increase the likelihood of volcanic eruptions. In turn, these eruptions can release heat and gases that further accelerate ice melt. This cyclical relationship creates a self-reinforcing loop, where each process intensifies the other. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for predicting future changes in Antarctica's ice coverage and assessing the potential impacts on global sea levels and climate systems. 6. The octopus clue. DNA, evidence of a past ice sheet collapse. Genetic studies of Antarctic marine life, particularly the turquoise octopus, have provided compelling evidence of historical ice sheet collapses. Analysis of octopus DNA reveals patterns of interbreeding between populations now separated by vast distances, suggesting that these regions were once connected by open water. This genetic connectivity implies that during the last interglacial period, approximately 125 years ago, significant portions of the West Antarctic ice sheet had melted, allowing marine species to migrate freely. These findings underscore the ice sheet's sensitivity to temperature changes and serve as a warning of potential future collapses under current global warming trends. 7. The future of Antarctica. Science, warning signs, and what comes next. Antarctica stands at the forefront of climate research, serving as both a barometer and a driver of global environmental change. The continent's ice sheets hold vast quantities of fresh water, and their stability is crucial for maintaining current sea levels. Ongoing scientific investigations aim to monitor changes in ice mass, understand underlying geological processes, and predict future trends. The warning signs are clear: accelerated ice melt, potential volcanic feedback loops, and historical precedents of ice sheet collapse all point to the urgent need for global action. Mitigating climate change through reduced emissions, investing in renewable energy, and supporting scientific research are essential steps to safeguard Antarctica's future and, by extension, the well-being of our planet. As we uncover the secrets buried beneath Antarctica's ice, one truth becomes clear. This frozen frontier is not a lifeless desert, but a dynamic, mysterious world that holds the key to understanding both Earth's past and its future. From volcanic chambers poised to awaken, to ancient lakes teeming with hidden life, and the haunting evidence of past collapses etched in the DNA of tiny octopuses, Antarctica is speaking to us. The question is, are we listening? The fate of this remote continent may seem distant from our everyday lives, but the rising seas it could unleash know no borders. What happens in Antarctica doesn't stay in Antarctica. It affects every coastline, every city, and every one of us. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through one of the most fascinating and fragile places on our planet. Your time and curiosity matter because the more we understand, the better prepared we are to face what's ahead. If you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to like,